Hello and welcome to this ONDR Modurol video, how to change the illumination bulb on your window switches. If you're not aware, the window switches are illuminated by these standard bulbs, and I'm going to replace them today with these T4.8 LED bulbs. They're a bit brighter. So in order to do that, first of all you need to remove the bit of rubber matting from the bottom. There you go, a bit of rubber matting, put that to one side. Take a trim tool. You need to take away this bit of trim here to access a fixing screw. So just get on that underneath there, pull it out of the way. There's one clip holding that on. Put that to one side. Then take a cross screwdriver. There's a little screw, you can't see it because it's whole black, maybe you can see it just there. There's a small screw in there. Tear that off, be careful not to lose it. If it goes in the door, that's loads of hours of pain. The switch unit then comes out, revealing, as you saw before, the bulb unit. I've actually took the bulb out. The bulb is actually this standard one, as I said before. It's anti-clockwise to remove. If you want to replace it with an LED bulb, as I've done now, I've marked the positive with a bit of white paint. The positive goes to the connection nearest to the socket, the electrical socket for the switch, and it's just clockwise to lock. There you go, that's now locked in place, and the assembly is reverse of removal, as I say. Just to test if it's working, I'll turn the lights on. Not sure you can actually see that. Yeah, maybe you can just see that the bulb is just illuminating the back. You can see it. Obviously in daylight you can't see the switch is illuminated or not, but that's it. How to replace your switches. I'm going to do the driver's side now. A quick job. Thanks very much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for more XK8 videos. Put it in the right way. There you go. There you go. Something like that.